Hey, it's Thelisha with Where Baking and Crafting Meet. In tonight's video, I'll be sharing products from a company that I've done a review for before. The company's name is BLEDS. You can find them on Amazon. They have a nice little selection of scrapbooking and journaling materials. In the previous video with their 6x6 papers, I made a large owl. For this video, I'll be doing a quick unboxing. This kit includes a lot of goodies. There are 501 pieces. There's a tape runner, as you can see, stickers, ephemera pieces, and papers. The voiceover may be a little ahead of my movement, but I'll still explain the feel of the items. I haven't used the tape runner yet, but I've had some like this before. Handle these with care because they can easily get off track and cause you to throw the whole thing away. From what I know, these can be refilled. I wouldn't be surprised if the ones sold in stores take the same size. Be sure to check that before shopping for one. The paper. All the papers and ephemera are thin. That's perfect for journaling because it doesn't add as much bulk as thicker papers when collaging and layering. It also feels like it can easily be decoupaged. The size differences are good for large or small journals and scrapbooks, from minimal usage to a large amount. As you can see, there are a bunch of pretty patterns with muted colors. I'm a fan of colors, but muted tones are my favorite. It gives you the option to add your own pop, especially if you want to use papers like these as a background. I have so many of these papers from 3 different hauls. I could make a journal from all of them. Maybe a few journals. Of course, they're all from different companies, but they'd still work nice together. The stickers. I've never purchased clear stickers before, but I love seeing others use clear stickers in their journaling. I also don't really like buying stickers because I tend to hoard them. The number of unused stickers I have is outrageous. What makes my situation more outrageous than a planner or someone who generally likes to use stickers is the fact that I can't use them. It takes a world of planning for me to do a project. The last sticker project I made was the tea time set. I got those stickers from Miss Fam about 1.5 to 2 years ago. Overall, I really like the items in this box, and the company makes really nice papers. Like I said before, they aren't the thickest papers, but also not the thinnest I've used. It's similar to the designer paper pads made by Colorbach that you get from Walmart. Or maybe a little thinner, okay? Now for some updates. For those that don't know, the Where Baking and Crafting Meet Facebook group is currently paused. It will be paused for quite some time, and I may close it at the end of the year. We'll see. If you want to reach out to me, head to the community tab, or find me on any of my social media pages listed on the About page. I am still updating the website and adding stock back to my Etsy shop. I may take my digitals off the Patreon shop because the pricing is too high, and it won't allow me to put my one-sheet digitals under $3.99. So once I get everything settled, I'll be giving more updates. I'll try to get more videos out. But you know how that goes. You have to prioritize. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.